I have been working on observing life, human patterns, human potential since last 32 years. And we are beginning with a series of masterships that will help you grow and rise from where you are. I am Minal Dalal. I am an author. I am founder of Adhyant and Human Potential Mentor. These shifts are for inner regulations. These shifts are certain embodiments. These shifts are about expansion. These shifts are also about shifting our perceptions and living our truth. Before we begin with the topics in Mastership series, I first want to address the very core of our existence, that is our human essence. We are not our identity. We are not our name and fame. We are not our body or senses or mind or emotions. Beyond all of this, we are humans. So, what is it that is different as being human than those other species on this earth? That is where, see, each species has their own essence. So do we have. And this essence differentiate us from the rest of the species. Now, many a times we hear that being human, we are superior or maybe superior most than other species on this earth. We also know that some of the other species, they have skills, talents, intelligence, which is far beyond our intelligence, our skills. Then why are we superior most? Why are we superior to those? Because there are few reasons, but one of the most important reason is they can use their talents, they can use their intelligence for their own existence, for their own survival and reproduction. Only humans on this earth can use their talents, their skills, their intelligence in the well-being, in the growth, in the potential of other beings on this earth. So, this brings us to what is our essence. Our essence is to create and contribute. Now you will say, creativity, artistry? No. Creativity is much beyond artistry. Creativity is like seed of possibility, a tiny seed which can eventually bloom into a forest. A tree to a seed to tree to more seeds to more trees, and eventually the forest. Same way, our application in life, if it carries the possibilities for us and for others to grow, then we are living our human essence. So, what do we help others with? What is it that we have which we can give to the world? All of this we will be covering in our next episodes. But for now, your life is here to catch the problems, issues, to find the gaps and use your skills and your intelligence in bridging those gaps, in resolving those problems which goes beyond your lifetime. This is your human potential. This is what we as humans are here with a purpose, with a meaning. And unless and until we live that purpose in alignment to our essence and we contribute we are not living our human essence. We are not living as humans. Many people feel that, okay, we do contribute. Humanity, we are sensitive. We are sensitive to the needs of others. And we are contributing from whatever we have. But this is not the whole of contribution. When your contribution is aligned with your purpose of this life, it is aligned with your own expression, with what you can give to the world, this contribution will have a limited meaning. So, to know you are human, you need to know that you have certain purpose, you have a meaning, you have something to give to the world. Your talents, your skill, your resources, your time, your energy, your presence, all together. And what happens when we contribute? Why should we contribute? The important question you might ask. Why should we contribute? Because you can only know yourself better and enrich to the proportion that is your contribution to the world. The more you contribute, the more you get the chance to return back to yourself. The more you contribute, the more you expand, the more you give your soul the power, the authority to shine and create an impact. This is what our life is meant for. So, signing off for now, I want you to think on what I have shared today and share your views in the comments. See you in the next episode.